Hello everyone, today I will show you some weapons in 1/12 scale, which is perfect for the classified series or the Valaverse series or everything at 6 inches. Here they are. As you can see, this one, the QBU88 or the OTS14 Groza or the Beryl M762 aren't available at any other toy series, just like the weapons that Valaverse has. So these are from AliExpress, as I told you. I will have the link down in the description. Now let's check those weapons. As I said, they are made of metal and the quality is very nice. They're heavy, of course. This is the rifle QBU88. This is an M4A1. It has a scope, a flashlight here, and they come pre-painted. The reason I bought all this is this one, the OTS14 Groza. I really like this weapon, it's beautiful. It reminds me a little of FAMAS, but I believe it's more beautiful than the FAMAS. This is another beautiful weapon, Beryl M762. It looks like AK-47. So all these weapons are real and not fantastic, just like the GiJoe classified series has. This is the AKM with a scope on it. As I said, they are made of metal, which is heavy. It's nice to have something, a weapon especially, that is made of metal, also in a small scale, in metal too, and not plastic. So I would like to show you now a little comparison. Here is the Valaverse AK-47, AKM, sorry. This is the M4A1. I have two versions from Valaverse. This is close enough, and another one here. The weight of this compared to this one, it's 10 times heavier, although the figure can hold it very nice with no problem. I also bought from this seller this MP5, though it is bigger, as you can see from the other weapons, so it cannot be used with the 6-inch figures. You can use it with maybe 7 inches, 8 inches or above. Anyway, I didn't read the description, I wouldn't have bought it. Also, I bought this Frankispans, which is in the same scale. It is beautiful, very detailed. As you can see, it's perfect. The colors are perfect, but the handle is very thick, so it can harm your figure's hand. So don't try to use it. If you buy it, you can have it in the background if you have an armory, a display, a diorama, or something like that, you can use it in the background. It is very nice, but it doesn't fit in the hands of a figure. It will harm your figure. Now, let's put the Valaverse weapons away. Now let's see the compatibility of them with some weapon accessories from other toy lines. As you can see, this one, the barrel doesn't have a hollow. At the QB88, at the M4A1, there is a hollow on the barrel, so it might take some fire effects or smoke or something like that. Also, this has a hollow on the barrel, and this one too, but not the AKM. The AKM from Valaverse, of course, it has. Also, the Valaverse weapons have removable mags. These metallics don't have. Now let's check some fire effects. Here is a fire effect from Marvel Legends. It doesn't fit on the M4A1. This one doesn't have hollow. Let's see the barrel. No, it doesn't fit. Let's see the OTS. Okay, if you push it hard, it will take it. This is a smoke effect from Marvel Legends. Same thing here, it doesn't fit. Now I have these fire effects. This is from Valaverse. It fits perfect. Here too. Not here, although it has a hole. Another effect, a smaller fire effect from Valaverse. Here is fine. Here is fine too, but not here. Also, Valaverse has this fire effect, which doesn't have this needle, so this can go at some, maybe at some weapons that don't have the hole in front. Okay, it doesn't fit, it doesn't stay on it, so not for this. Let's see at the QBU. If you push it a little, there it goes, so you can use it here. I also have some fire effects and smoke effects from the Hasbro classified series. Let's check them too. Nope. Nope, so this is a problem. Yes, if you, no, not here. Let's check the smoke. I believe they're the same, but let's check them, why not? Final test. Okay, here it goes. It fits. Perfect. Let's see this. Yup. Smoke effect. Perfect. this, and this. So only this can take all of them, all of the fire effects and smoke effects. Yes, it takes all three of them. Marvel Legends, Valaverse, and GiJoe Classified series. So, why I bought them. As I told you, I bought them because of this, the OTS 14 Groza. I really love this weapon, it's beautiful, the design. Also this one, the Beryl M762, is very beautiful weapon. These two, I believe, you can use them for army building. That would be beautiful to have some troopers of the Cobras using these two weapons. They are also cheap. If you think that they are made of metal, the cost is around 3 to 4 euros, which is the same with the dollar. Now let's check the website of the seller at AliExpress and all the available weapons he has. The name of the store is Soyakula Toy Box Store, and the guns he has is the VSS Vintores, M4A1, Thompson, Spaz 12A, SKS Rifle, PUBG S686, Frankie Spaz 12, PKM Machine Gun, Beryl M762, Mosena Gant, MP5, OTS 14 Groza, AKM, Carabiner 98K, and QBU 88. All these weapons. Now let's see how they fit with the classified figure.